First up, let's address the massive network in the room, the internet. It's actually a mind-blowingly complex web of interconnected networks. Think of it like a giant puzzle where each piece represents a smaller network, all coming together to form the internet as we know it. Now, let's rewind the clock back to 1969, the year the internet took its first baby steps. Back then it was called ARPANET, connecting research institutions. It's crazy to think how far we've come from those humble beginnings. All right, time to bust a myth. Wi-Fi, short for wireless fidelity, doesn't actually stand for anything. It was a branding decision, kind of like how no one actually says fetch. Chapter 4, You've Got Mail, from 1971. The first email ever sent was in 1971 by Ray Tomlinson. He's also the legend who gave us the @ symbol in email addresses. Chapter 5, Data Under the Sea. Fiber optic cables are the backbone of the internet, carrying 99% of international data. Thin strands of glass, thinner than a human hair, transmitting data as pulses of light. Chapter 6, Your Digital Address. Every device on a network has an IP address, a unique identifier that ensures data gets delivered to the right place. Without it, the internet would be total chaos. Chapter 7, The OG Website. The very first website, created by Tim Berners-Lee, is still online today. It's the genesis of everything we know and love about the internet. Chapter 8, Rise of the Machines. Just kidding, sort of. More devices are connected to the internet than there are people on Earth. The Internet of Things is here, folks, and it's only getting bigger. Chapter 9, Cybersecurity. The never-ending battle. With great connectivity comes great security risks. It's a constant cat-and-mouse game between the good guys and the bad guys. Chapter 10, Going Offline, but Still Connected. You don't actually need the internet to have a network. Remember LAN parties? Those were local networks connecting computers in a specific area. So there you have it, 10 amazing facts about computer networks that prove just how essential they are to our lives. From the moment you wake up to the moment you stream your favorite show, networks are working tirelessly behind the scenes. Computer networks are the backbone of our modern world.